Hi, Tim Newman with Softlight Studios, and today it's time for another Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019 quick tip. If you have ever wanted to export a graphic frame from one of your Adobe Premiere projects and end up with a file such as a PNG or a JPEG, then this video is just for you. In Premiere Pro, exporting a frame is as simple as going to a sequence window and moving the playback head along the timeline until the desired frame is displayed. You may also select an export frame location in the program window as well, performing the exact same playback head move on the timeline. Once you have the selected frame in view, you may simply press on the export frame icon in the toolbar. Should that icon be missing, go into the toolbar editor using the button editor to your right, locate the export frame icon, and drag it down into the toolbar where you'd like it to reside. Pressing on the icon or using the Shift-E shortcut sequence will bring up the export frame dialog box. A number of things worth noting in this dialog box is the automatically generated frame name using the sequence name and the location of the frame within that sequence, along with an incremental still number appended to the end of that name, the ability to select the graphics file format that you would like. In this case, we're going to use a JPEG file. The ability to select where you'd like to place this frame. I'm going to use the browse window to say, please put this on the desktop. And then last but not least, a checkbox here where you can decide whether or not you would like to bring this frame back into the project as a resource. We will go ahead and export the frame now. You'll notice immediately over here in the project resource panel, we see that our frame has indeed been added as a resource to the project. And if we right click on that new resource, we can use the Reveal in Finder shortcut to bring up the frame in a Finder window, or if you happen to be on a Windows machine, in a Windows Explorer window. And here's our frame right here. If we double click on it, you'll notice that we are able to open the frame and view it. And in fact, because this is a JPEG file, we would have the ability to edit this frame in an application such as Photoshop. This frame can then be used as a thumbnail, for example, for a video in YouTube, or could be used as advertising collateral in some other way on Facebook, for example. So there you have it, a real simple way to export frames from Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019 and have those files be available to you for use in other video and marketing generation use. That's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. And as we always say, remember, knowledge equals skills, practice equals mastery. We'll see you out there.